Welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send a custom form to a patient directly from the diary screen in the GoodX WebApp. Now, this is a really useful feature because it allows the practice to collect information from patients before they even arrive for their appointment. So instead of printing forms manually, handing out paperwork at the reception, or trying to gather information during the consultation, you can send electronic forms directly to the patient through the MyGC portal. So what happens is that the patient will then complete the form online, submit it back to the practice, and the practitioner can then review everything ahead of time. So let's jump into the system and take a look. Before we continue, for this example, let's imagine we're working for a busy GP practice and we have a patient. We'll name her Nomsa Kumalo. So she books an appointment because she's been experiencing fatigue, headache, and elevated blood pressure readings at home. So before the consultation, the practice wants Nomsa to complete a hypertension and lifestyle assessment form, which will ask questions about symptoms, medical compliance, smoking habits, exercise, diet, stress, or even family history. Alright, once you've created the form, you'll head over to the diary screen, which is where we are now, and then from here we'll locate the desired booking and click on the patient's appointment. So we're going to go over to Nomsa, and once you click on the booking, the diary sidebar will open on the right hand side. Inside the sidebar, we'll locate the MyGC button. And now instead of clicking directly on the button, we'll click on the drop down menu attached to the MyGC button to open up the additional options. From this menu, we'll click on Send Custom Form. As soon as you click it, an attention pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, we'll first need to select the template we want to send. Okay, so we'll click on the drop down menu and we'll select the form, and for this example we'll be going to the hypertension and lifestyle assessment form. Now please note that you'll only see custom forms that have been created for the practice, which means you'll have to create your own custom forms. Otherwise, if a custom form is not created, it will not appear in this drop down menu. Alright, so we'll click on our form, which will then help the practitioner review the patient's lifestyle habits and symptoms before the consultation even begins. And then below that, we'll choose how you want to send the form. So we'll click on the please select the contact method drop down menu, and you'll see several different options available. The first option we have is the SMS, which will send the patient a secure link to complete the form online. The next option we have is then the email, which will send the form link directly to the patient's email address. We then have email and SMS, which will send the form link to both communication methods. And finally, we have the kiosk option. This will send the form directly to the practice kiosk so the patient can complete the form electronically when they arrive at the practice. The kiosk option will only be available if a kiosk has already been configured for the practice. For more information regarding the kiosk, please refer to the kiosk welcome screen overview user manual linked in this video's description. So for this example, let's go with email and SMS. Once you've selected the form template and the contact method, simply click the OK button. And that's it. The form has now been sent to the patient. The patient can now open the secure link from the SMS or email, complete the form electronically through the MyGC patient portal, and submit it back to the practice. The practitioner can then review the patient's answer directly inside the workflow before or during the consultation. And this then really helps streamline the entire process, reducing paperwork, improving preparation before appointments, speeding up administrative workflows, and it just creates such a smoother experience for both the practice and the patient. And that's how easy it is to send a custom form directly from the diary screen on the GoodX WebApp. Thanks for watching this tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video.